You're here. It's me. No, it's your toes. Get off my toes. I'm but you know, so get off my toes. Oh, kiss me, mi amor. Oh, your toes smell like cheese. I love the smell of... No, do not kiss me. Your hair. It smells like rat poop. It's making me sleepy. Your hair smells like rat poop. What? Oh, kiss me, mi amor. I love you. Oh, rat poop. Oh, get off of me. I told you I got enough. Wait, Kevin. Oh, mi amor. I said, Kevin, I'm gonna put you off his bridge now. I had enough.